Now, one thing that we still need to do to complete the design of the website is, let me show you. Let's go back to our finished website and let's go to the home page and let's scroll down. And the latest from our blog. Remember when we were building our homepage, we escaped this part because we hadn't populated our blog. But now our blog is populated, so we can add this section. So let's add this section to our homepage. So let's go to the back end. Come over here to Pages, click All Pages, go to Home, click on Edit. And that section from our homepage was located between this text widget, which has the what we do text, and the layout builder, which had the 2 call to actions. So we need to place our row here. So let's click on Add Row. Let's make it just one. Insert. And let's drop it below the text. Right here. So let's click on it. Click on Edit Row. Click on Theme. For the bottom border color, I chose this color, which is basically orange. You can choose not to have anything here and you'll be just fine, but that's how I have it in my finished website that I created earlier. Let's come down to the top bottom padding, and I have that at 10. Now for the background color, I have an off-white color in my finished website, but I don't know why do I have it that way. I actually prefer white, so I will just keep it as is, or we can even make it white. And let's go to row layout and click on full width. And you will notice once I save that my background color will be different than what I already have in my finished website. So this is one time that I will break the rule. I don't even really know why I decided to have an off-white color for the finished website, but let's go ahead and click on save. And now let's click on add widget. And the widget we're going to be adding is a Sydney theme widget, and it's the Sydney FP latest news. So let's edit this widget by going to edit, and all I need to change is the title. And I just typed latest from our blog. So come over here and click on done and click on update. And now let's view our homepage. Let's go down. And there you have it. Now you notice that we have a call to action. It says see all our news, and by clicking on it, this basically takes you to the blog page. Now you can keep this if you would like, but I feel like I might not need it, since by clicking on any one of these they will be taken to the blog anyway. So I will have a custom code that will actually delete this. If you like to keep it, you don't need to have that custom code added. But other than that, the homepage is complete.